In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Robux gift card on Amazon. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to any web browser and then just look up Amazon just like so. Then go ahead and select on the official Amazon website just like this, and then there you go. It is now going to go ahead and open up Amazon. Alright, so make sure that you actually do log into an Amazon account, or if you never made one before, then you want to go ahead and create one, and you can do so by going to the top right and selecting on hello, and then you guys can basically go ahead and actually sign in. But anyways, guys, once you're here, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, and then you just want to go ahead and type in Robux gift card just like so. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on whichever amount you want. So as you're able to tell, we do have a lot of different options. So we can actually purchase a $10 gift card, or we can purchase a $20, $25, $50. And there's honestly a lot of great options over here. It even goes up to $500. So that is pretty insane. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the gift card that you want to go ahead and actually purchase it. And the great thing about gift cards is that you can like gift it to your friends and stuff like that. So anyways, you want to make sure that it is from the actual Windows seller. But all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on add to cart. Then you want to go ahead and press on proceed to checkout. Then you want to go ahead and select on a payment method right over here. So it could be like a debit card or a credit card or maybe even a PayPal account. And then you want to go ahead and press on place your order. All right. And after you went ahead and purchase your Roblox gift card, you are then going to get an email. It is going to send the email to the Gmail account that you use in order to actually create your Amazon account. So it's really important that you remember what your Amazon email is. And then your Gmail will actually give you your Roblox code that you guys could use in order to actually, get Robux. And this is basically what you need to enter in onto Roblox. All right, guys. Now, in order to actually redeem it, what you need to do is you need to go to another tab and look up Roblox Redeem, because you can't actually redeem your gift card directly on the Roblox application. So you will need to go ahead and use a web browser. And by the way, if you guys are curious, yes, you could also do this on a mobile device, but I'm doing it on a PC for clarity purposes. But just go ahead and select on roblox.com. And then you want to go to the top and press on redeem card just like so. And then you need to go ahead and log in to your Roblox account. All right, once you're here on Roblox, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and paste in your code over here. Then go ahead and press on redeem. And it is honestly that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.